Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you the new APC from page rules, one-page rules. This is the Human Defense Force, and I got here all printed in resin and with options it has. Okay, so the whole it's in two pieces. Okay, and it's really easy to mount. Okay, just pressure, and you have just a little seam lines there, but it's very easy to solve this. Okay, we got here, I'm going to show you the options. So we got here the sight, so here it is, the back, the wheels, and as you can see it's a very nice details, and this goes right here on the side, and this is the other one. This goes like this. Now we got here the difference on the front, and as you can see, so we got this option on this side. Okay, it's go there and back here too, and on the right side we can put this one or this one. On this one we have a machine gun, we can put right there. We got the shovel on the front, and we got here three different weapons we can put on the hole. Let's put here. Okay, and I can show you. And we got a heavy flamer, a heavy machine gun, and a laser machine gun. So it's just simple like this. So if you want to use magnets, it's really help. But because I'm going to make three of them, I'm going to put different machine guns. So this is the flamer, this one is the laser one, and this is the heavy machine gun. Okay, so we got three options to put there on the hole. On the hole we got two options too. We got this one. Okay, close it, and we can put a figure with a machine gun. I still have to remove some of the supports, but as you can see, the detail on this one, it's really awesome. So let's put like this. Now we can have this one. This is a hunter missile. You just can use one time on the game, and it goes this side or the other side, and we got here the cap for the other side. If you don't want to put hunter missile, you just pull out. Let me just go right here more on the front. You can put the two caps. We got here the fuel or oil drums on the back. Okay, the details are really good, so it just go right there. And we got here here, let me try to show the details. Ammo crates with some ammo there, so you can put whatever you want, whatever you want. So this is APC. I'm going to assemble all this, glue, use some resin to the joints, and then I use my torch. This one is from Green Stuff, it's really nice. And then some putty and start painting, okay? And they are parts, this it's what I'm going to leave out of the paintwork, and then all of this stuff it's going to paint aside. Let me just put like this, you guys to see how it can be. So some pressure there, yeah. And you can see the joint is really nice. I like it. So if you guys printed this, you just press this and it's going to pop out. You see right there, you put there, press, and we got a nice joint on the side, just a line. This one is just super glue and it's okay. The tracks are good too, so super easy to mount. The only thing you need to use the file, it's for this one, for the supports, and it's going to sit really nice. So guys, I hope you like it. The next ones, it's going to be the tanks. I have 3-4 different tanks, and every tank 2 all from one page rules. Bye guys, and I see you on the next video.